Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5 and we're going to go over how you to replace your front windshield wipers. This is the driver's side. The passenger side is done exactly the same. So we can pull this arm up. We don't need to move it any one way or the other. With the hood closed, we have enough space to pull this arm up. With the arm up, then what you're going to do is you're going to spin this, and there should be, because this is a J-hook design, there's a little tab right here. We press, and then we will be able to pull the windshield wiper blade and remove it from the vehicle. And then to replace your windshield wiper, if you buy a universal one, there's a few components you would need to be changing out. It'd be this little plastic piece right here. You would change it to match the proper J-hook design or whatnot, but it's just this piece that you're going to be changing out. Once you get the right orientation of one you need, then you'll just take this in the reverse order and be able to reinstall it. It's a little easier putting it back on than it was taking it off. But you line it up and then just snap it into place. It'll lock there, and it should lock into place there for you. And then when it's locked into place, then you'll be able to lower your arm back down. And don't just kick it down. You have your potential break in your glass, but you just lower that arm back down, and that would be how you would replace your windshield wiper, front windshield wipers on your Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.